This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, salmon croquettes, gluten-free and dairy-free. I'm the Jew that does not love gefilte fish, especially from a jar. I've had homemade, which is slightly more palatable to my taste, but I would rather eat just about anything instead of what I call the hot dog of fish. I mention this because I usually substitute that course of the Seder dinner with salmon. There are many ways to prep it for the holiday meals, but this is my new favorite way. It's a great gluten-free option any day of the week, but with Passover around the corner, I wanted to share this recipe with no flour, matzo meal, or dairy. I hope you make it and make your kitchen magic. Okay?
I always say the best part of this job, quality control. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is delicious. Gluten-free, dairy-free. What is that, 4 ingredients? Let's eat.